Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save your paint when you have completely when your paint is completely oxidized, or basically for this one the clear coat it's gone. As you can see here, it's just peeling off, and this is just a cheap, simple way on how to do it. You won't be needing an air compressor to do this. It'll be just on your home backyard. And mind you guys, I am not a professional painter. I just love doing DIYs. And yeah, before you buy your paint, if you would like to test out the area first so that you won't waste money on buying your clear coat, so you just need water. So just pour in water, and yeah, as you can see how clear this one is. So this will give you a similar result when putting clear coat over it. So yeah, this is just a quick way as well to save your base coat, because definitely, if you want a better result, then do it the proper way, which you need air compressor, and you have to actually to sandblast or to completely remove the old paint. But in this video, it's just quick, simple, easy, and cheap one to do it. So let's get to it. So here are the things that you need in doing this process. You just need a used newspaper, 1500 grit, sandpaper, masking tape, and of course a clear coat of your choice. I would definitely recommend a 2K clear coat, as it is more long lasting, but for mine I just buy a clear coat on my auto parts store near me. And yeah, let us prepare this one. And step one is to wash the vehicle or the area, and second is to take out just the excess peel off of the paint. But for mine, since there'll be a lot of peel off on this one, I'll just do a quick peel off on the excess parts. And just be careful, because this part, or the one that is exposed, is your base coat. So once you get into deep, it'll just dig in and it'll be gone, base coat gone. And if you spray the clear coat, it'll be just like this. And if you want to go for extra mile, yeah, you could definitely buy a touch-up paint and do this one first before putting a clear coat on it. So yeah, that's just it. And yeah, it's a bit windy as well. It's not really recommended doing this, but it's just a cheap way of doing it. And this is a four-wheel drive anyway. It'll get scratched and get dented when there'll be future trips that we'll be doing. So, but I really want to save the base coat in a cheap way. So yeah. actually ran out of paint, and this is the total of 3 coats. And I did do a heavy coat right here. Main reason because this part is where typically stones, debris will hit this area, and if I only have more paint, then I'll definitely do the whole area. And yeah, it's pretty average, but it is way better than before. And at the same time, we've got the base coat sealed again, so this will give me a bit more time before doing a proper repaint on the truck. But again, like I said, this truck will do 4-wheel driving, so I'm not really that concerned. But I'm just showing you guys that you can definitely just have a clear coat and save the base coat once it's peeled off. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please give this one a thumbs up. And at the same time, if you're new here, I am new in YouTube, so if you will hit that subscribe button, that will be great. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.